Good morning students, staff and parents. Welcome to the Week 4 Virtual Assembly. Please welcome Zoe and David for the Acknowledgement of Country.
I would like to respectfully acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which this event is taking place.
I pay my respects to the elders past, present and emerging.
Please be upstanding for the National Anthem.
Australians, oh let us rejoice, for we are young and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant southern cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas, we've boundless place to share. With courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Please be seated. Here are today's notices.
We have homework club for 4 to 12 students on after school Wednesdays in the library. Come along to work on homework, assessment or study. See you there. All Year 11 hospitality students need to ensure they take their permission to be out of class forms to their teachers for signing. Make sure that you organise a plan to catch up on any work missed. Students in Years 7 to 12 have been sent a survey link about student lockers. Please complete by 3 p.m. today. Today is Jeans for Jeans Day at Earnshaw. Thank you to the Student Council for organising this event. Thank you to all students and staff who have worn jeans today and donated a gold coin, which will be collected by college leaders. This fundraiser helps support children with genetic disorders. All support is appreciated.
The following local school-based traineeships have been advertised. Email or see Miss Hills for more details. You will need a resume and cover letter to apply. Milk and Froth, Aspley, Cert 3 Business. Subway, Deegan, Cert 3 Business, and Pizza Hut Nunda, Cert 3 Business. The barista course for students in Year 10, 11 and 12 is now full. Thank you for your expressions of interest. If you are still interested, you can be placed on a wait list. Email or see Miss Hills to put your name down by today. All students who are involved in the Banyo RSL hospitality function, please return your permission forms to the senior office by today. Any students aged 13 to 15 years wishing to trial for Met North Cricket need to see Mr. Jopic in the staff room for information.
A reminder to all students, our dress code stipulates 1 ring and 1 watch are allowed. Students with their hair below shoulder length are required to tie their hair up. Various items have accumulated at the senior office. Water bottles, ties, jumpers, hats, laptop cases, umbrellas and wallets, plus jewellery items including watches. If you have misplaced an item, please see office staff with your description.
Attention Drama Academy students. Please see the senior office today to order a Drama Academy t-shirt and note your size. Today is the last day to place order. Payment is not required until next week. Thank you from Miss Bell.
Good morning everybody. I'm here to talk to you about bike helmets today. Helmets. They do more than make you look cool and attractive. When you wear your bike helmet, not only do you look good, but you are complying with the law. But most importantly, they protect your most valuable asset, your brain. So use your brain and make sure you wear your bicycle helmet when you're riding your bike.
Good morning everyone, Shappy Hannah here, and I would like to introduce you to Jack, our Youth Support Coordinator.
Hey everyone, my name's Jack. I live in the Wellbeing Hub right next to Hannah, and it's good to be here.
We would like to let you know about Kindness Week that's happening next week. We believe that kindness is really important and being kind.
Yeah, so we'll be running some activities next week, and we'll be having all of our art competition entries on display. Activities will be from Tuesday to Thursday up near the tuck shop, and there will also be on Thursday a free dress day.
And that's for youth homelessness. It's a $2 coin donation. Make sure your son's safe, closed-in shoes. If you have any questions, come see us at the Wellbeing Hub.
Yeah.
Thanks guys, hope to see you there.
Good morning students. This week marks the end of week 4 and next week will be the beginning of week 5, which means that assessment tasks and items are due in soon. They need to be completed and handed in by the due date, ready for the Term 3 reports that are coming out at the end of this term. Year 10 and 11 students who are interested in leadership opportunities for 2021, please meet me in BO5 Friday, first lunch, to discuss the new mentoring program that we are beginning this year for our Year 5 and Year 6 students. Thank you.
Please welcome the house captains for this week's Ernie update.
Keep bringing in Ernie's Bradman, and this week's Bradman Ernie winner is Sonia.
Great job this week, Rafter. Keep those Ernies coming. This week's winner is Isabel.
Well done, O'Neill, this week. The Ernie winner is Lasara.
Thank you for attending our virtual assembly. We hope you enjoy your weekend.